It's time to put your sweatpants in their place. Hi, my name is Shari Brandell and I'm the president and founder of Fashion Meets Faith. And what we do here is we help women just like you through life's transitions to look and feel your best. This is the day that it can start for you. I have a free gift for you. This is where you are going to get started, and it's a new day for you. I have 10 ways to feel refreshed and renewed and get you on your way to feeling better about yourself, better about your changing and your aging body. And so when you look in the mirror, you say, you know what? I feel good. That's what we're here to help you to do. Not only are you going to get 10 steps to help you feel refreshed and renewed, something that you can do right away this week, but you're also going to get 5 bonus things on what to do with those sweatpants. I know you're going to love this. Just put your email in, download the free gift, and let's get you started today on looking and feeling your best.